long time no see. So as you just saw, I have some new LASFIT switchback bulbs, which are awesome. I've been testing them for a couple days to see how I like them, and I don't like them or love them. They're amazing. It's a 9145 bulb, which is also an H10 and that and stuff, but that's all the stuff. It's cool because it switches back to from yellow to white. I am high or something, but anyways, so we put them on. They work awesome. The reason why too is that my other one blew out after over a year and more than a year and a half. They worked awesome. Rain, everything, snow, anything you throw out, they were awesome. So I was like, oh, I need to get some more. So I contacted LASFIT to see what we could do. So we got sent some of these, and they're super bright. They're actually almost brighter than my other ones. These are like the new updated ones. I'll put a link up below, and you can get discount if you use Rick something. I'll put it on there, but I can't remember exactly what it was. But it's cool because what happens is it comes with a little bit extra what was it at? Where is it? That little tiny ballast right there. But yeah, other than that, that's literally the same wiring. It's just that little ballast which makes it go from amber to white, and I will show you right now what they look like. Okay, so we're back, and so these are just my regular fog lights. They're on. Here's my yellows, which we'll go out and check in just 1 second. They go pretty far. You can see that trailer. It lights up pretty much. The cool thing is it lights up this whole thing on the sides and everything. It's pretty nice. And they're pretty bright, like really bright, so no complaints there. And here's the amber yellow ones, which is pretty nice. It'll be super nice in the winter time for sure. Yeah, it goes pretty far, but definitely get you some of them. They are pretty amazing actually. So I love having the dual switchback LEDs. So, but I will put a link down below, and you guys can take a look for yourself and actually get some. So buy them, they're awesome.